Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the cross pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it's kind of like there's a cross in every face, and so let's get started. So this is kind of a medium to long formula, and so let's just do it. So the first move is right hand side 2 times, next is the left hand side up. Next is the bottom face clockwise, the front face 2 times, the right face down, the bottom face anti-clockwise, next the right face down again, next the left face down as well, next the top face anti-clockwise, next the bottom layer clockwise, next the right layer up, next the bottom layer clockwise, next the back layer 2 times, then the right layer down, next the top layer 2 times, the top layer only once clockwise, next the bottom layer 2 times, and there you go. You have your cross pattern on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.